Hey Charlotte, this is Jesse with Finish Paintless Dent Repair, bringing you another smash video from the dent shop here in Pineville. Hey, so I get a lot of questions asking me about bodyline dents. Can I repair bodyline dents? I heard you guys can't fix bodyline dents. Well, today I'm going to show you that we can fix bodyline dents, and we can fix bodyline dents to a very high level of quality. We're not going to replace this hood. We're not going to paint this hood. This is going to be OEM paint, OEM parts. This repair is going to increase the value of his car when he goes to sell it because it has not been painted, because the OEM parts are still on the car, which is very important. No Carfax report, no diminished value. This is what you want if you want to keep your car looking great and you want to preserve the value of your car. Check this out. I think you're going to like it. I think this is going to crush any misconceptions about bodyline dents that you might have. All right, here we are. You can see the impact on this body line was significant. It hit that body line so hard, it just pushed the metal over to the middle of the hood. And it looks like there's two impact points on that body line as well. One right smack dab in the middle and then one a little closer towards the front of the car. Now this is an aluminum hood. A recent PDR study was done that measured aluminum repairs require 70% more effort to repair than steel. And here we are, this is the after shot. The slow pan is going to show you any distortions from the overhead reflection. As you can see, the body line is back to shape. There's no wiggles and there's no distortion around there. The metal's been pushed back into place. The repair is good to go. And we saved the paint. We did not paint this hood. We did not replace this hood. Despite it being aluminum, we were able to save this hood. No diminished value, no Carfax report. This is what you want. High quality paintless dent repair. No evidence of repair at all. How about it? Any questions? Any doubts? Still don't think bodyline dents could be repaired to a high level of quality with paintless dent repair? Bring it to the shop. Come see me. Call me, 704-248-1236. Bring your car by the shop, 712 Morrow Avenue, just inside Pineville. I am here for you Monday to Friday from 9:30 to 5:30. If you have any questions, call me. Bring your car by the shop. I love fixing dents. I love fixing big challenging dents, and I want to make your car look great. If you have any questions, please visit the shop. Give me a call. Shoot me a message on the website. Catch me on Instagram. Shoot me a message right here on YouTube. And please subscribe and like this video below. Thank you so much for watching, Charlotte. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.